Is your internet connection also like this? Get slow when there are many people, get disconnected while playing games. Take 5 minutes to see if this Baudcom Wi-Fi 6 ONU can solve all. Baudcom Wi-Fi 6 ONU. It's both a fiber optic access point and a powerful Wi-Fi 6 router. The design is very simple and clean. Let's look at the speed. Before and after the replacement, with the same gigabit broadband connection, it can achieve nearly full bandwidth utilization. Multiple devices can be online simultaneously. This is thanks to Wi-Fi 6 SAT or OFDMA technology, which is like dividing a large road into multiple smaller lanes. Signal coverage is also a pain point. Its high-performance antennas and beamforming technology allow for directional signal enhancement. Installation is very simple. Just connect the fiber optic cable and power supply, and you can complete the setup in a few minutes. So if you're tired of slow internet at home and need to meet the demands of work, this Baudcom Wi-Fi 6 ONU is a highly efficient all-in-one solution. To learn more about technical specification or purchasing information, please visit our official website. The link is in the video description.